Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to convert an image into cartoon. And we're gonna utilize this specific AI called Stylar. This is the link, and this should be the landing page you should be seeing on your end. So the first thing you wanna do is sign up. Click on this button right here. So I'm gonna click it right now. And I'm gonna continue with Google. So once I click on Google, I'm just gonna use my dummy Google account. You can use your Google account if you choose so, and you'll be directed on this landing page. Now basically for this one, you can use this popular, or you may call it very trendy templates. You can choose any one of these. But the first thing you want to do is of course click new project. So this should be the editing platform, the new landing page you should be seeing. So you'll have different options. You have import image and text to image right here. So the first thing, or the only thing we're gonna check right now, is text to image. You can try importing image or image to image later on, but I'll discuss image to image on a separate video. So for now, text to image, and with this one, you can choose a style. You can choose realistic, boho, industrial, and so on and so forth. But for now, I'm looking for a specific style, this one. Innocent Cutie. Basically, it's a cartoon anime. So with this one, since this video is about cartoon, I'm gonna type a prompt here. Let's just say, for example, Captain America. Easy as that. And basically, I'm gonna put the style intensity with 0.7 because the style intensity is how intense it will reflect on the prompt. I think the maximum is 1 and the sweet spot is gonna be 0.6 or 0.7. So right now, I'm gonna click Stylarize and I'll wait for the result. I'll get back to you once it's here. And as you can see right here, I have 4 results. If I hover my mouse on each of the results, I have this very cute cartoon, right? So if I want, for example, this first one, I can simply click on it. As you notice, once I click on it, it will go on this staging area. Now this second one or third one with the helmet, I'm gonna click on it also. And as you can see right there, they went on the staging area. So to download this two right here, I'm gonna click on place on Canva. And it will now go directly on this layer section. So simply click on export. And right now, if I want to download both photos, please take note, you click export all layers. Because if you don't click on this one, you only download the first one right there. So export all layers, choose a file type, PNG or JPEG, up to you, and simply click on export to pics right there. And wait for it to be downloaded on your PC. So click on allow. And basically, you've just downloaded those 2 photos on your desktop. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.